don't know if it can hear me. Can you go on your phone, Liz? Make sure it can hear. And then maybe share it on your page too, if you don't mind. Hey guys, let me know if you can hear as you're popping on. I've got my AirPods on, so I just don't know if it's connected properly. And if you guys can hear us okay. Oh, yeah, perfect. Can you share it? Hey guys, let me know if you can hear as you're popping on. Okay, so I get a lot of questions about how the butt lifts. I don't like hearing myself. I get a lot of questions about how the butt lift is, how it works. So we're not going to do a full butt lift on this client today because she is already very bootylicious. She's just here to let me use her as a demonstration. Just as if we are not wearing masks, we are cohorted. So before anyone comes in, oh, why aren't you guys wearing masks? I do wear masks when my clients come, and I do offer masks for all clients that come in. However, Liz and I are cohorted, so we don't really need to wear a mask, and I figured if I wore a mask you wouldn't be able to hear me, so I just wanted to skip the mask. Okay, so we'll be doing a giveaway on this video today. For everyone that shares this video and tags 5 friends, and you are all liking my page, or you guys are liking the page or whatever, you'll be entered into a butt lift or a boob lift, whichever of your choice. This will be going on for the next couple of days, just so I can make sure that people are actually engaging and seeing it. I just really want to get the information on this procedure out there, and a lot of people are asking questions. I'm like, okay, what better way than going live and just showing you all instead of explaining it 100 times over. So you come in, I will have you lay on your side, depending on what problematic area your cellulite is. We all have cellulite all over our body. It is completely normal. However, when you're wearing a dress or a bathing suit, you don't want it to show. So you can have cellulite on your buttocks, you can have cellulite in the back thighs, up here in the front. This is my problematic. I'm all over. So the first thing we're going to do is we would do a cellulite treatment. So I would pick my favorite desired cup. And again, guys, make sure you hit the share button and tag 5 friends for a chance to win your choice of butt lift or a breast lift. And it'd be 6 appointments, not just 1, so you're getting the full package. So I pick a cup of choice. This is a cellulite treatment, as well as a lymphatic treatment, which is great for anyone who's had any type of surgery. I would turn on my handy dandy machine, and then I use baby oil or coconut oil of your choice. I rub it all over your butt and your leg. And it's also it's just enjoyable. It's relaxing, and it's so good for not just for your cellulite, but it's good for your blood flow. It helps move the fat. Yeah, so we're just gonna massage her, lather her up. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them below so I can answer all your questions. And again, guys, hit the share button and tag 3 or 5 friends on there, just so they can see it in the area. And then I'm gonna turn my machine on. So this procedure, I normally do 10 minutes per leg. Sometimes we do a little more depending on the client's wants and needs. And you just do a back and forth, this isn't working very well, a back and forth motion, loosen up those fat cells. And it doesn't hurt, hey Liz?
No.
No pain or anything like that, hey?
No.
And you go back and forth, you can go up and down. The up and down one I find is the one that kind of gives me a little bit of a bite. Does that hurt?
A little bit.
Yeah, it feels a little uncomfortable. And I don't know if you guys can see already, she's already starting to experience some redness, which is completely normal. That is showing that what we're doing is working. And like I said, there's no medication for this, no injections, no surgery. And like I said, this is going to help remove cellulite. Doesn't happen in the first appointment. It can, but I do recommend 6 appointments for it to become of a more permanent look. I'm having a hard time concentrating and answering, even though I really don't need to do this right because you don't need it. But so then you come up around the butt, and you can do circular motion around that booty. It's kind of moving the unwanted fat from her thighs and up into her butt. So there's a couple of different things that we do. And like I said, we'll do this 10 minutes on each leg. I'm not going to do that in the video demonstration because, I mean, you guys probably don't want to sit here and watch this for over an hour. And like I said, this client actually doesn't need this procedure. She's just doing this for video purposes. Can you see their redness? It doesn't hurt though, hey?
Just up and down.
Yeah, just up and down. So, and while I'm doing this, I can see the cellulite in the cup. And like I said, Some people will notice a change right away. Some people, it takes a couple of appointments, and you know, like this isn't just like a magic fix. Again, this isn't surgery. This goes hand in hand with a healthier lifestyle. So someone who eats genuinely healthy, exercises, or active at least, and drinks lots of water. So if you're a couch potato and you want to come in, and I'm a couch potato 80% of the time, so it's fine. If you're a couch potato, so no shame on your game, this may not be the best procedure for you if you're doing it by itself. You need to work with it, okay? So do the cellulite treatment and come up around the booty. Really sucked on that one, hey? Now I can't really show how a procedure is. And again, guys, if you share this video and tag 5 friends, you would enter in for a chance to win a butt or a breast lift. I can't really go live with a breast lift because then we'll get booted off Facebook. But basically with a breast lift, actually I'll show you guys after. So once we do this for 10 minutes on each leg, we genuinely get them to roll over on their stomach. There you go. And then I would disconnect my hoses, and then I would pick one of my vibrating cups. So this one that we just did prior was, as you guys can see, the redness. Prior it was just suction. Now we're going to do a vibrating and a suction. So we do it on each leg because it helps loosen up that fat and bring it up here. And then we use our vibrating and suction cups. We place them in the desired area, whether she wants, it's hard to say with her because she's literally got the nicest peach already. But say if she wanted like a little more here, you would put it here on each cup. And it would vibrate and suction all up in here. What it does is it pumps that muscle and that blood flow and brings from the fat from an unwanted area to a more desirable area. And like I said, the cellulite treatment helps loosen this all up and bring it up here anyway. And then we use this, and like I said, we will connect it to our hoses and such, and we put it on vibration and a suction. And she would sit here for 30 to 40 minutes. And actually, I'm gonna hook you on just so you can tell them how you feel, and then, sound good? Mm-hmm. I'll just put it on one butt though. So I would hook up my, actually no, I'd have to do both because it doesn't work. And they do have to both be plugged in. For someone who has a more of a butt area, like a bigger canvas area, we could use 2 cups on each butt. It would just be a longer appointment, which is fine. So then we would, bear with me because sometimes I'm not very good at hooking these up. I make a mess. And again, guys, don't be afraid to share and tag 5 friends for a chance to win your very own butt or breast lift. And then can you hold those, please? Thank you. Again, I'm not really placing these anywhere because she's not doing the full 10 minutes. And then I just hit on 40 minutes, sorry. Okay, go. I don't know if you guys can see, the skin is starting to suction in there. And then here, I can adjust the suctioning. So someone who exercises can handle a higher suction. Someone who doesn't needs a lower suction. And each appointment, it would change and vary by client. And she would sit here for 30 to 40 minutes, whatever's comfortable for her. Normally the first appointment, like I said, is 30, and then moving forward, we do 40. Sometimes even 45. I don't know if you guys can see, but her peach is already starting to get a little pink. That's normal. Purple's normal. Black, blue, not so normal. A little bruising after your appointment is completely normal. However, it goes away within an hour or so. I personally bruise. I don't know if you guys can see, but in here you can see her butt rising and falling, rising and falling. And no pain or anything, hey?
No.
What do you feel?
It just feels weird.
Just feels weird, vibrating and stuff. And you guys can see here, there's her butt. So basically that is it. When the procedure is done, the machine will shut off. You hear the air escape. And one of 2 things, I can either disconnect the hose. What I like to do is I stick my nail in there and I just pop it right off. And as you guys can see, there's little circles here. This is like the muscle that it was working on. Once it's been on for 30 or 40 minutes, it's much more purple for some people. And like I said, that will go away normally within a couple hours, but it also depends on your skin type. So that is it. And then you can literally jump right back to normal life. And one appointment is the value of 4,500 squats. So I think that's just great. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to get into my inbox. Please feel comfortable to ask any questions. There's no obligations when you ask questions either, guys. I won't attack you with sales or anything like that. If you have questions about the service, I'd gladly, and basically, sorry, for the breast, it's the same thing. Basically the exact same thing.
Except for the cellulite.
No cellulite treatment. You just put on the cups, turn them on. And I leave you guys too, like when you guys are in your appointments, I don't sit here because it's a very intimate moment. I mean, you're very exposed. So I cover you up and I leave and I come in and check on you every couple minutes to see how you're doing. So again, guys, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask. And please, for the next little while, share this video as much as you possibly can and tag your friends in it. Help me get my name out in the Lakeland. It's really hard for me to share this business opportunity because Facebook will not let me boost my posts. So it's all organically. So please do not hesitate to let your friends know about this amazing procedure. Also, for people who have like the little dips here, I've got like the little indent here from having babies, you can put the cup there and they fill that. So or if you're looking for just a more up, whichever, basically you can pretty much try and do anything for your booty. And pretty soon we're going to be offering a non-surgical liposuction, which will be after Friday. We're going to go on Friday and learn all that. So if you guys have any questions about any of those procedures, don't hesitate to let me know. Can you get you to lift your feet, please? Thank you, darling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it and have a great day.